How to install electric showers. Dear electrician, please follow the technical regulations for installation from RETI by the Ministry of Mines and Energy. Note, buy certified materials. Before purchasing this product, check if the electrical supply system of your home is single-phase, two-phase, or three-phase. For homes with a single-phase electrical supply, you must purchase showers with a voltage of 110 volts. For homes with two-phase and three-phase electrical supplies, you must purchase showers with a voltage of 220 volts. Verify the home has good water pressure, between 5 and 40 psi. Then check the possibility of installing an electric shower. Remember that there must be an electrical port available for the breaker corresponding to the Boccherini electric shower. For 110 volt showers equals one 40 amp breaker. For 220 volt showers, two 20 amp breakers. The monopolar cable must be taken from the breaker box to the shower installation site. The shower circuit must be grounded by a circuit breaker, potential plus thermomagnetic differential. The electric shower circuit must be exclusive. No additional equipment shall be connected to it. No splice or branch wiring should be performed. Remove the original shower head and clean the supply line. Let the water run for a moment to clean the residues and impurities. Install the half-inch Boccherini nipple to the supply line. Screw the Boccherini electric shower onto the 1/2 inch nipple. This connection does not require a tool. It can be done carefully with the hands. To avoid water leaks, use PTFE sealing tape on all joints. Let the water run before making the electrical connection until the water starts to flow throughout the shower. Subsequently, close the water flow. Check that there are no water leaks at the joints and proceed to make the electrical connection. Make sure that the screws are tight. To guarantee the safety conditions of living beings and protect the product, connect the ground terminal of the electric shower to the electrical system of the house. Firmly secure all connections. Open the water tap and verify the product is working properly. If the water comes out too hot, adjust the temperature by slightly opening the reducing cap. For more information, contact our technical support. Response time 24 hours. Applies to Bogota and Medellin. Boccherini high quality products. More savings.